Are you looking for the best mini PCs? In this video we will look at some of the best mini PCs on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1, Beelink Sur 5 Max Mini PC. Beelink Sur 5 Ryzen Mini PC equips with 6-core/12-thread AMD Ryzen 5 5560U up to 4.0 GHz. The base frequency is 2.3 GHz. The dynamic frequency can reach 4.0 GHz. Beelink Mini PC Ryzen is a robust hub for your every work and gaming need. Beelink Micro PC excellent in 2 tubes and 1 fan design makes it excellent in texture. Durable and keeps it cool. Standby for a day without getting hot. This mini computer comes with the AMD 7nm processor and 16GB DDR4 memory, can upgrade to 64GB, 2x32GB. 500GB NVMe SSD. This high-performance mini PC designed by our talented European designers delivers enough power and storage for you to play, create and enjoy all day. Beelink Mini PC integrates AMD Radeon Graphics 6-core 1600MHz GPU to deliver powerful graphics processing power to easily handle the demands of complex design software, 4K at 60Hz UHD video editing, and playback, or light gaming. And it can connect 3 screens, efficiently handle your tasks, and meet your specific needs. Number 2, Higole Gole 2 Pro Intel N5095 Mini PC. Gole 2 Pro Mini PC with fan is equipped with a powerful 11th generation Celeron N5095 processor, 4-core. 4-thread processor running at up to 2.9 GHz, 8/16GB of LPDDR4 RAM, and 256GB of IMC, making it compact and powerful. Gole 2 Pro is unique in that it comes with a Type-C full-featured port and HDMI port, as well as Intel UHD graphics. It supports 4K video output from 2 displays. It maximizes your visual experience and work efficiency. The Higole Gole 2 Pro has an ultra-portable design with the body size of only 142x91 19mm and rich interfaces. Simply put the pocket-size Gole 2 Pro in your bag and you're ready to stream and browse anytime, anywhere. This Windows tablet is not only a good helper for your business office use, but also for your daily life use. More uses waiting for you to develop. Number 3, Higole F9B Pro 7'N100 Mini PC. Featuring a 7-inch touchscreen, Windows 11 Pro pre-installed, Intel Celeron N100 processor, 16GB LPDDR4 RAM, 512GB IMC and dual 2.5G LAN. This mini PC with fan packs power in a compact form. The Higole F9B Pro is capable of running a wide range of well-known operating systems and software, and has been thoroughly tested in the lab to ensure maximum flexibility and performance. This Higole F9B Pro are different in that it comes with a Type-C 3.1 full-function port and HDMI 2.1 port, Intel UHD graphics. It supports 4K video output for 2 monitors. This small computer is a great helper for your business and office, or for entertainment use. Enjoy your computing while traveling, in classrooms, conference rooms, industrial IoT. More uses waiting for you to develop. Number 4, Maxtang T0-FP750 Mini PC. The new Maxtang T0-FP750 is an ultra-compact mini PC equipped with AMD Ryzen 6000/7000/8000 series processors for excellent performance while great on saving space. It supports dual-channel SODIMM DDR5 memory up to 64GB and offers multiple display capabilities through Radeon graphics using HDMI, DP and USB4 interfaces. The mini PC features a 10/100/1000/2500 Mbps Ethernet controller, 2 XM.2 NVMe slots for storage and an additional M.2 for Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. Other I/O interfaces include 2 XUSP 3.2, 1x USB 2.0, 1x LAN 2.5 GB, 2x USB-C and a 2-in-1 XTIA audio jack. It has low power consumption despite its powerful features. The new Maxtang Ultra Compact Mini PC provides an immersive visual experience, increased productivity, stability, and reliability, making it perfect for multitasking, creating, playing, working, educating, and entertaining. It is ideal for a wide range of applications, including gaming, entertainment, working studios, office use, education, and home theaters. Its diminutive size takes up minimal desk space and makes it ideal for applications where traditional PCs are unsuitable. Number 5. MINISFORUM A1 Mini PC boasts 2 DDR5 5200 slots and M.2 2280 PK 4.0 SSD slot, offering ample storage and upgrade options. Equipped with dual 2.5G RJ45 ports, this mini PC ensures rapid network transfers and versatile connectivity. With HDMI, DP, and USB-C outputs, the A1 supports multiple monitors, enhancing productivity and entertainment. Designed for high performance, the A1 supports AMD AM5 socket CPUs, perfect for gaming and multimedia. Features dual fan for heat pipe cooling, keeping the device cool and stable for efficient use.